We'll guide you through how to compare Vercel versus Lovable so you can make an informed decision about which platform suits your needs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Vercel's official website. Vercel is known for its seamless deployment process, especially for front-end frameworks like Next.js on their site. You can explore features such as automatic scaling, edge functions, and a global content delivery network. Take a look at their pricing page to understand their tiered plans and what each includes, from hobbyist to enterprise levels. Then, open a new tab and head over to Lovable's website. Lovable, in comparison, focuses more on offering a robust backend solution with integrated database management and API development capabilities. Navigate to their products section to see their features like real-time data synchronization and serverless computing. Check out their pricing to compare it against Vercel's. It's important to consider what your project requires. If you're building a high-performance front-end, Vercel might be the go-to choice. However, if you need comprehensive backend services, Lovable might be more suitable. Additionally, read through user reviews or case studies available on both platforms' websites to see real-world applications and testimonials. This can give you insight into customer satisfaction and any potential limitations. By comparing both platforms' features, pricing, and customer feedback, you can decide which aligns better with your development goals. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.